27 years ago, Indian soldiers fought their way up one of the world's toughest mountains and reclaimed every inch of territory occupied by Pakistani intruders. Today, Kargil Vijay Divas is not just a day of remembrance. It is a story of courage, valor, sacrifice, and a nation that has transformed its defense strength. From Operation Vijay to Operation Sindoor, India's message is crystal clear. Terror will be met with stronger and more decisive response. Watch our special report.
The mountains of Kargil still carry the memory of war. Steep cliffs, freezing temperatures, enemy positions dug into heights that seemed almost impossible to capture. Yet Indian soldiers conquered the difficult terrain. They fought hard and they reclaimed every inch of territory occupied by Pakistani intruders. This was Operation Vijay. It came at a heavy cost. Indian armed forces displayed extraordinary courage as they pushed back the Pakistani intrusion and restored India's territorial integrity. India's success in the 1999 Kargil War stands out in world military history as a rare, highly successful, high-altitude mountain warfare campaign conducted under a nuclear shadow. But the story did not end on those mountains. India's response to cross-border terrorism has continued to evolve. From the Kargil War to Operation Sindoor, the country's approach has become increasingly decisive.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान डेमो तो देख ही लिया होगा। धमाके आतंकियों के अड्डों पर हो रहे थे और गूंज पूरी दुनिया में सुनाई दे रही थी। टेरर कैंप पर इस करारे प्रहार से आपको गर्व हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
The message is clear. India will not simply absorb attacks, it will respond. The time of half measures is over.
क्या पाकिस्तान से कोई बात नहीं होगी और अगर बात होगी तो सिर्फ पीओके पर ही बात होगी, जो कि भारत का हिस्सा है, जिस पर पाकिस्तान ने अवैध तरीके से कब्जा किया था। साथियों, पाकिस्तान ने इस समय आतंकवाद को अपनी सरकारी नीति का एक हिस्सा बना लिया है और वहां पर मिलिट्री और मिलिटेंट्स के बीच का फर्क पूरी तरह से समाप्त हो चुका है।
And while the nature of the threat has changed, so has India's military capability. Over the past 12 years, the country has pushed aggressively towards Atmanirbhar defense. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has taken rapid strides. The defense industry was open to private sector participation. The defense budget has increased threefold. India's defense production reached a record 1.78 lakh crore rupees in 2025 to 26. Defense exports also surged to 38,424 crore rupees. That marks a major shift. India is increasingly building its own military equipment. Today, Indian defense products are exported to over 80 countries. The journey from Kargil to today is therefore not only about remembering a battle. It is about recognizing how the country has strengthened itself since then. The brave hearts of Operation Vijay fought with weapons and equipment available at the time. The India they defended is now building a stronger defense industrial base. From the icy heights of Kargil to the battlefield of Operation Sindoor, the message has remained consistent. India's soldiers will defend every inch of the nation, and those who threaten its security will face a country that is increasingly prepared to respond. Kargil Vijay Divas honors the fallen, but it also celebrates the India they helped protect. An India that remembers its sacrifices, an India that strengthens its forces, and an idea that is building the capability to defend itself with greater confidence and self-reliance. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.